Introduce features interest for Legooin heat press small heat press machine for heating transfer, 7x4.8-inch portable easy press mini heat press. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose Legooin heat press small heat press machine. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The heat press is suitable for many heat transfer projects, suitable for transferring photos or text on t-shirts, clothing, hats, handbags, socks, masks, phone cases, mousepads, shoes and more. Enjoy the fun of making crafts with the heat press and make unique and interesting gifts with your brilliant ideas. Our small heat press are 7x4.8-inch, perfect for different sizes of clothes, and patterns twice as big as the heat press can be easily transferred. You can make shirts for everyone, whether children or adults, store operations, or home use. This heat press is lightweight, 3.3 pounds, easy to carry and store. At the same time, our heat press is made of a durable and high temperature resistant material with a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 205 degrees Celsius. The insulated base plate is durable and resistant to high temperatures, will not deform or melt, and can prevent accidental burns. Our iron presses have an automatic shut-off designed to provide you with the best convenience and highest safety. They will automatically shut off after 10 minutes of inactivity, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to turn off the heat press. The safety base prevents the heating plate from scratching and prevents personnel from getting scalded. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.